expansion, I am noticing that there are some areas in the garden that I'm gonna have to put some amendments, like this area right here where it's not green like the other areas. I'm gonna have to add some stuff to it. Y'all can see those collard sets trying to come up in the ground. But yeah, I'm gonna have to add some type of amendments to this area. And also, it's like this whole line right here is going to need some help. I have some areas where I need to make sure amendments are added. As y'all can see, like I said before, we're going to be expanding out this way, so we'll have more produce. But yeah, this whole area right here is going to need some type of amendment going out. But yeah, I got some areas to work on, but we will get this done.